In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI-powered ticketing system in Asana. So whether you're new to Asana or looking to leverage its capabilities for streamlining your support tickets, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in and start by setting up a new project. First, open Asana and navigate to the project section. Here, you'll initiate the process of creating a new project. You'll quickly notice options like templates, but for today, let's begin with a blank project to mold it exactly to our needs. Click New Project and then Blank Project. Once you're in, it's time to give your project a name. Consider something descriptive like support tickets, AI powered, to keep things organized and easily identifiable. Now, with your project created, the next step is crucial, integrating AI capabilities. Asana has some excellent AI functionalities to streamline your workflow, and that's exactly what we'll be tapping into. Look for the prompt that reads, Set up with Asana AI. Selecting this option will guide you through configuring your project to become an AI-powered ticketing system. This setup is designed to optimize the way you handle incoming tickets, ensuring they're categorized and prioritized without the need for manual intervention. By enabling AI, Asana can help automate tasks such as sorting tickets based on keywords or urgency, assigning tasks to the appropriate team members, and even suggesting responses for quick triage. This allows your team to focus more on resolving issues rather than spending time organizing them. As you set up, you might be prompted to configure the specifics of how the AI operates within your project. You can customize settings like the criteria that determine how tickets are organized. It's best to think through how your team currently handles incoming requests and what improvements the AI can bring to this process. For instance, if certain types of requests are always dealt with by a specific team member, you can set rules to automatically assign these requests to them. This might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but remember, you're not alone in this. Asana's guidelines can be a helpful resource, providing prompts and suggestions to tailor the setup to your exact needs. Once your AI settings are configured, take a moment to browse through and ensure everything appears correctly set. Don't hesitate to perform some tests by entering mock tickets to see how the system reacts. This trial run can help you tweak any settings to enhance efficiency further. Play around with how tickets are filtered and prioritized to ensure the system perfectly aligns with your workflow. And there we have it, a comprehensive way to create an AI-powered ticketing system in Asana. By embracing these powerful features, you can save time, boost team productivity, and improve response times, essentially creating a smoother experience for both your team and your clients. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. Thank you for joining, and happy organizing!